With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, time period of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. What is its frequency? What is the name given to such a pendulum? Alright. So time period is time taken by one oscillation. Time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation. All right, that is time period. What is frequency? Frequency is number of oscillation in 1 second. Number of oscillations in 1 second. All right. And relation between time period and frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. All right. So it is given that time period of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. So its frequency will be 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5 hertz. Frequency is measured in hertz. And for a special case where the time period of a pendulum is 2 seconds, the name of the pendulum is seconds pendulum. Alright. So for the pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds, it is called seconds pendulum. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.